Okay, so this is an example of a bad visualization. And as you can see, this is a scatter plot. And all this data down here is jumbled up on top of each other. So you really got to try to dig through this to find the data that you're wanting to find. So this is data from crime rates in Ohio, cities in Ohio. And for this particular visualization, I'm using murder and aggravated assault crime rates. So what I wanted to do is show you this, which is what makes effective visualization criteria. And it needs balance and design. A balanced design is one with visual elements like shapes, colors, negative space, texture that are equally distributed across the plot. Emphasize on key areas. The user's attention should be drawn to the right data points by using colors, sizes, contrast, and negative space. You want to illustrate movement by directing the user's attention to in a certain direction, just like emphasis. We use smart patterns, repeat design elements that form a pattern. You want to proportion. You want to emphasize the importance of data by making it bigger than the rest of the data. Proper rhythm is design needs that have balanced rhythm. When the design elements together create a pleasing eye movement. Variety is the best way to keep your audience engaged and keep them interested in the data that you're presenting. And then theme, a unified theme ensures that every part of your design is consistent, follows the standard. So if we think about that, you can see that this visualization here doesn't really use any of that except maybe the emphasis on the different sized circles here to show the larger cities with a larger population and higher crime rates. So you got Cleveland here with 385,000 population with 107 murder and 2,698 aggravated assaults. If you go down here, you got murder at 11 and aggravated assault at 83. So I'll go up and show you this chart here, and you see it's a little better, but still not great. But if you see some of these smaller cities like Albany, nothing even registers. So you actually have to click on. So there's 0 murder and 0 aggravated assault with a population of 899. And then you go to Akron, which has a population of 197,000, 42 murder and 731. But so you would think that larger city, you're going to have more crime, more murder, more assaults, things of that nature. So we'll go down here. Barnesville, Ohio has a population of 20,480. There were 0 murders and 0 aggravated assaults with a population of 20,000. So you go up here to Addison, and there's only 3,744, but yet you still had 8 aggravated assaults. So you really can't necessarily say that the size of the city necessarily correlates with higher crime rate all the time. Sometimes it obviously does. So how I got this data was I went to the UCR FBI website and downloaded an Excel file, which is this right here, the Ohio crime data from 2017, and this is my data right here. So if you look here, it shows all the data: population, violent crime, murders, rape, robbery, aggravated assault, property crime, etc. And I put that onto the sheet. So up here at the columns, I put the population, murder, aggravated assault in the city. So that's how I got my data actually into Tableau, which is what I'm using today. So this is a example of a bad visualization. Thank you.